So we've made an acquisition. Xavier Rhodes comes in on a 1 year deal. Wanted to improve our cornerback situation. Honestly, having a kind of filling that void of Justin Coleman being gone. Nick Needham's a great player, but I mean, to bring in Xavier Rhodes for the rest of the season, I think might actually be nice to have. We got to cut one player, and honestly, we don't need River Craycraft. Sorry, no, I think you're gonna be on the team this year, but we needed room to bring Xavier Rhodes on the roster. So let's see, locker room. Oh, what's wrong? Jalen Waddle? Yep. I mean, I'm not going to just call everything for you, Jalen. You can't just say, I'm sad because I'm not getting all the targets. Jerome Baker. Ooh, Jerome Baker might have a big week. Big week might be coming for Jerome Baker. So for this one, of course, it's going to be a longer video. I'm going to be playing the full game against the Jacksonville Jaguars. Now this is a London game. This won't happen in real life. Of course, we won't be playing most of these teams in real life. We're in London for this one. This stretch of the schedule should actually be a lot better now for us. I think we're going to get some of the easier teams to face now. Trevor Lawrence coming into his second year. We'll see what happens with him. Just tell me. Alright, let's go. We get to be on defense first. We get to have Xavier Rhodes show us why we picked him up. Immediately. Comes out. Ooh. I think they're going to be pretty heavy on the pass game. ETN, I don't know. Rowe made it, by the way. Rowe's going to be staying on the roster for another week. And Holland just doesn't play well. Holland actually went down overall because he didn't do great. Gotta see him rushing the ball here. Here you go. I must say our defending the run is not the problem with this defense. Definitely not something I see being the problem. You see him running the ball again. Don't like those little dink and dunks. But if that's what the Jags want to do, we gotta stop it. Did lose to Jacksonville last year. Should have honestly probably fired Flores after that. Should have not let him back on the plane, or most of the players back on the plane back to the U.S. after that, and especially not having a bye week. I know that pissed a lot of the veterans off. Oh my god. I gotta stop at the hit stick. I really want to hit stick these guys. I mean, Madden did a terrible job trying to oh my god, thank God. Trying to put Urban Liar into the game. I mean, terrible animation. The coach in the game literally looks nothing like Urban Liar. Urban Liar. I never say his name. Oh, you are so lucky, Byron Jones. You are so lucky that we're playing Jacksonville and that they're punting from their 42-yard line. So lucky. Nice blocking, special teams. Not really. Good. Tua's bound to have a bounce back game now. This is not the play I called, but let's get it. Not the play I called, but it turned out well. 13 yards for Raheem. I wasn't gonna try to go run heavy this game, but I mean to start off like that, not a bad start. Oh my lord. Really bad job there. Let's see, what can we do here? I don't like any of the places giving me verticals wide drag. Could get cheesy here. Could get very cheesy very fast. Get that. Gesicki, come on. Come on now, let's go. Like any of these guys are able to cover Tyreek Hill. Jacksonville Jags, you know, just ain't no way they're stopping Tyreek Hill this game. Alright, Raheem. Okay. We see you, pal. 2 13-yard runs. I'm really doing well running through the gaps here. Oh my god. Go off, Raheem. Our offensive line is doing really well so far in the run game. I was going to say give Raheem a break, but... Oh, cheese. Let's go, baby. 9 touchdowns so far for Tyreek Hill. Like I said, he's going to have a lot of touchdowns in this simulation of a season. 2 to 3, 46 yards and a touchdown. I mean, as long as the defense pops off, I think we'll be fine. Honestly, Raheem, he seems like he's going to have a big game. I just couldn't give that opportunity up. That's such a good play for a touchdown. Gotta think pass here. Let's go, baby. Ogba was on that list of potential people out to make a statement. Showing up here early. Go, Nick. I haven't seen Xavier Rhodes so far. Might not be getting that many snaps being the third guy. Oh my god, missed that play there. Thank God Jerome Baker was there. Christian Kirk getting the bag this offseason, which I don't blame him for. I've kind of been in the mind of players recently where it's like, if I was them, I'd do the same thing. Trying to get my bag. It's a business in the end. If teams are going to be about business, let players be about their business. Since Tyreek has already been going off, might as well feed him the rock, and spoke too soon. 4 rushes, 44 yards though. I mean, what a start. What a start to his day. I feel cheese coming. I felt it. It's there. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Great play to end the first quarter. Great play. 7-0 at the end of the first. I feel like this team has got a kick in the butt. Now they're trying to bounce back from it. Raheem up the middle again. That's blocking too. That's blocking. Nice plays by the offensive line right now. Playing beautifully. Tell me, oh my god. That could honestly be ruled as pass interference. Because he held on. Come on, Eichenberg. Get out there and block somebody. Alright, let's go. Reek, baby, reek. Oh my. That's alright. We'll take 3. Honestly, not what I wanted out of that drive. After the big play to Tyreek, not what I was expecting out of that. But 10-0, more or less. We gotta go back out there and force another 3 and out. That's what we need to do. My special teams need to start showing up again. It was doing really well early in the season. I don't think Jason Sanders has missed so far for me. So, I'm loving that. Loving that out of the guy. Oh my god. Oh my. Xavier Howard just got absolutely dominated. He got trucked over. Ooh, Brandon Jones getting some extra playing time. Let's go, baby. Ogba showing up. Ogba is definitely showing out for this game. Let's go, Ingram. Let's get it, baby. Honestly, him becoming a starter in here for us has definitely helped. It's definitely helped us. Let's get it. Another 3 and out. Try to get this ball here and something out of it. I really want to return one back with Tyreek. That would be sick. That'd be absolutely nuts. We'll go with the run game here. Initially picked a little pass play. 6 rushes for 60 yards. I mean, how could you not want to go with the run when you're having a day like that? A guy like that. Do a rushing out, baby. Should be a first. Thank you. Mr. Tunga Viola. Let's get Cedric Wilson involved. Oh no, it's going to be Tyreek Hill. Oh Lord. Oh man, whenever Tyreek gets it, it's just not working when we do that. Try to do something tricky. Doesn't work. Alright, Raheem. Need another. And Jacksonville's right in our backfield. What you doing, O-line? What you possibly doing? Oh yeah, cheese. Cheese for the cheetah. That's easy. That's easy. An easy 7. That's what this man does. So like, oh man, oh, because I said before that he hasn't missed yet, and I thought I just jinxed it. That could have been so bad. I would have been embarrassed. May have ended the series. 17-0 though. No. I would hate if we got a kickoff return on us. How do you bounce back from that? Getting a kickoff return from the Jags, but at the same time, how do you return from getting beat by the Jags? I'd say this is a good way of doing it. Really like our players surrounding the box right now. I'm sorry if you have to hear that in the background. Having family and recording YouTube videos is not the greatest thing. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Now we can't stop the offense. I'm not even in prevent defense. So I don't know why that's working so well for them. Oh my Lord. Trevor Lawrence said enough. Trevor Lawrence might actually have like a really big, like, not like a career year, saying like his biggest year of his career, but this, like, you know what I mean, where this is really important that he does something. Because, I mean, there are questions about him. And, of course, a dart to the end zone. Are you kidding me? But I think it's a really important year for Trevor Lawrence. I think Jacksonville is going to stay truthful to Trevor. I don't think they're a team that would hop off Trevor anytime soon. But you got to be smart at the same time, where you don't hang on to a guy too long. Of course, Jacksonville's still in the rebuild stage. I think they got the right guy in Doug Peterson. You guys want to see me doing a rebuild of them? I'd be lit. That'd be simple. They already got a good team put together. Oh yeah, baby. Take it. Take it. Easy. Easy money. Easy money. Oh man, I thought Tyreek was hurt for a second. You got to be worried with guys that run that fast. Oh my Lord, don't miss. Don't miss. Don't miss. You got to be worried at times, guys that run that fast. And don't pull a hammy or something. 24-7 though, scored in 9 seconds. I mean, Tyreek Hill with 11 touchdowns so far. That's what happens when you got a guy like Tua that's gonna hit you right in the breadbasket. Let's go, Ingram. Showing up again. Ingram is showing up. I was worried about the sack numbers. I was going through the sack numbers, and I wasn't too pleased with them. But now that I'm seeing all this, don't mind all the Destiny stuff, starting to get back into that game. The defensive sacks, this game, we already got 3 of them so far. Love you more. Oh my God. Matt Paradis, that's their center. That is their center. Brandon Jones was his first pass to Flint. Yeah, he's definitely playing more minutes now. I can definitely tell. Or else he definitely would have had a pass to Flint defense. We're going to go for even more cheese here. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try to go up 31-7. Oh yeah. Right in the bread basket. Right in the flippin' bread basket. Just try to get Reek in the end zone. Not going to be there. Ooh, let's go, baby. Down at the 2-yard line. Let's get it. Jalen Waddle, baby. Easy. I could have thrown it to anyone there, to be honest with you. Want to get Jalen another touchdown, though. $31-7. We are stacking it on. I'm coming for vengeance this game. I am sorry. Got embarrassed the past 2 weeks. Oh my God. I think that was Bowden. I think Bowden just did that. Mr. Lynn Bowden Jr. You dog. Alright, that's gonna make him wanna throw it here, I feel like. Potential pick. Potential pick. Nope. Not gonna be enough. Honestly, wasted a lot of time there. I think we'll continue to try to run inside here. I'm honestly going to just defend the deep pass. They've been doing really well at that. Go, second half, 31-7. Destruction going on. Seen this before, though. Could not let up. Ooh, they're playing really good defense here. Maybe not good enough. Edmonds. Oh my God, I knew it was going to be a pick. I knew it was going to be. As soon as I saw it was Edmonds, I was like, you know what? This is probably going to be a pick. Sad to say it, but this is probably going to be a pick. I hate to do that because it's only going to beef up the interception numbers whenever that happens. Tua being tall on the sidelines. It's all good, bro. We're absolutely destroying these guys. Just make sure to score next time. I really like that I brought back Sue this year. It just feels perfect. Come on now. Come on now, Roe. Roe could be a potential another guy out by the end of the season. Not because of his play, just by the young guys. Oh my Lord. That's almost impressive. Jones got through that. That's Zay Jones. I was like, that's no Julio Jones, is it? Byron Jones. Byron Jones has his good days and he has his bad days. I've seen a lot of bad, though, this season. And go off then. Go off then, Trevor. Do your thing. Do whatever makes you feel better about being in Jacksonville. Imagine if we would have had Minka Fitzpatrick with Javon Holland. And people say, I don't think he would have drafted Javon Holland. I still think they would have, to be honest. With how Brian Flores schemed and the way that he really liked Holland coming out of the draft. Like, we didn't even really need Holland. Holland wasn't even, like, a thought of a good pick back then. I liked it, but, I mean, like, because I thought that guy is a first-rounder, a first-round safety. So I was like, all right, hell yeah, bet. Xavier Howard. Give that. Do not give that to him. Seen nothing but special teams from Rhodes so far this game. But at the same time, he could be just a backseat player that's honestly just making the team better, I guess. That now that he's there, it just makes things better. You don't know why, but it just happens. We need to score. Time for Raheem. Get that work back in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Only 8 rushes. That's my bad. Guy's going nuts. Oh yeah, Reek. Catch up to that. It's just money. Swaggy. It's just money. Cheese, baby. Shit. Still pretty much up the middle. Tyreek saying, "I'm about to beat the touchdown record in a season." 38-10. It's not even like I'm trying to do the cheesy plays either. Was I doing it at the end of the first half? Yeah, a little bit. But I mean, that wasn't a cheesy play, and it still got a house call. Go Wilkins. Wilkins got his 5th-year option. We gotta see what happens with his contract. Oh yeah. Ooh, okay, Eric. Chill out. Let's chill out. Let's not get ejected. Come on. Come on. Soup putting people on their ass. I love it. Let's press up again. I'm staying with my press. I'm not even messing with it. Yes, sir. Come on now. Press up again. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it again, y'all. Still ain't moving on me. Gonna go to the 4th quarter, 38-10. We are just putting it on. That was just one of those stupid plays in coverage. Probably my fault. I'll put that on me. Man, I need to start learning how to come over. No, Benogany. Oh no, that's John Holland. I was about to say, he playing more snaps. Oh, Melvin Ingram back there again. Back there again, baby. Helping out our young group. Hey, don't worry, young bucks. I got this. We can actually get coverage sacks at times. Man, Byron. Evan Ingram. I think that's a good piece. I think it was slept on in New York. Way too much. Way too slept on. 10 plays, 76 yards, 4 minutes. Let's go then. Oh, man. Byron, don't screw this up because I can't switch it now. Oh, yeah. Brandon Scarlett. Give that. Oh, my God. Imagine if Durham Smythe was able to take off of that. All right, Raheem. It's your time. I mean, if Greg Little would block. Definitely someone I want to focus on this offseason is the offensive line. Oh, yeah. Chase. Bro. Dude. Come on, bro. Not allowed to do a comeback right now. Quite literally, you're not allowed to. Why are y'all freaking out on the defensive side, man? I'm going to let the people that are going to rush, let them rush. It's crazy. These guys never fumble. They can strip on me, but I can't strip on them. Pause. That's what I was called. God damn it. This second half, we're not great the second half. It's not even on the offense. $38. Still a 14-point game. Let's bring it out, Noah. Let's set the dominance back. Didn't really set the dominance, but Adam Shaheen, you really are special teams now. After that first game fumble, I have not trusted you since. All right, let's go, Reem. We ain't scared to run the ball. Pulled your groin. That must have been what it was. It was down there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Watch this, baby. Dang it. Did not do exactly what I wanted. Oh, come on. Come on, Wall. Catch up to that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. House call. Swaggy. Mr. Swaggy. Tua can't pass deep, though. Remember that, y'all. It's a video game, but you know what I mean. Yes, sir. 45-24. That should put a nice cap to this. Something just came up in my head. If you can't remember the Buccaneers episode, the last episode was not good. I think me skipping a moment in that game really screwed us over. And that was a mistake. Oh, let's go, baby. Javon Holland. Yes, sir. Javon Holland made that play. Bruce. Overturned? Hold on. can't even go back to it. What are you talking about? The man wasn't even standing. Or the man was standing, sorry. He knocked it out. What are you talking about? He hit sticked him. That is dog shit at its finest, yeah. Good job. Great, great play. Rhodes coming up. Oh, that was crossing. Man, you're just not seeing Rhodes out there. Mike McDaniel being, staying loyal. There's players here. Hey, I added the talent. In the end, I added the talent. We are smacking up on these boys, though. Cannot complain. The defense must be better. I mean, Jacksonville should not be doing this much. Three hundred forty yards for Mr. Lawrence. Not a drop? Or you just threw it? Hey, I'm all good with it. 45-31 should be the final here. It should end the game. I should have known. I should have known. Let's go, baby. Should be able to end this now. Should be able to end this game. I want to get this game ended so I can wrap this up. Tua, baby. Tua time. Oh, yeah. I don't know why I went out of bounds there. Picked up a first down. Should have just went down. I was just trying to gain the yards there. Doesn't matter. First down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And how close to Raheem from a 100-yard game? I really want to know. 557 total yards of offense. We've been on the field a lot. They won't even let me see, too, because they keep calling timeouts. I can't see how far away Raheem is from the 100-yard game. I want him to get it. $98 yards for Raheem. Yeah, no. We're running it. We got 2 yards to gain here. Oh, yeah, baby. Come on now. Come on now. Raheem caps off his 100-yard game with a touchdown. Sitting pretty. 51-31. About to be 51 or 52-31. Let's get it. Scored 52 points on their head. 52 effing points on their head. I'm going to squid this. That's Raheem Mostert's first. Oh my god, that should have been a fumble. Love it. Oh my god, that should have been a fumble. Man, I was coming back in with Jerome. I was going to headhunt Trevor Lawrence. I was going to headhunt that man. Oh my God, don't tell me he did it again. That man did it again. Evan Ingram did. Or sorry, Melvin Gordon did it again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Raheem. Keep putting up them yards. I don't care. I might pay Raheem after this week. I don't know. We're going to let that cap off the game there. Or maybe not. Maybe one more score. Nope, can't get it. Raheem Mostert, 21 rushes, 125 yards. This man to a 456 yards in the air, 6 touchdowns to 1 interception. 100. Chase Edmonds got no playing time. Oh my God. 350 receiving yards for Tyreek Hill. I'm sorry, I cheesed Melvin Ingram with 4 sacks. That might be his one game though for the year, to be honest. Melvin Ingram. Yeah, not Melvin Gordon, Melvin Ingram. Showing up big when we need it. Man, that was huge. That was absolutely huge. We needed that win. Needed that win. Keep us together. Trade deadline's coming up though. Might need to make a move. One new injury. That's got to be Adam Shaheen. Adam Shaheen. That's going to be it for the video, guys. Thank you so much. Connor Williams should be back next week. Let's get it, baby. Make sure if you haven't seen the rest of the videos to go back and watch them. The series has been absolutely amazing. And I thank you guys for the support, for watching the videos. Absolutely love every single one of them that watches. I will see you guys in the next one. Go Dolphins, and fins up.